Cloudflare is about to cut 1,100 jobs. The reason? AI is changing which roles survive. If your job is AI enough, you could be next. Cloudflare announced it will fire 1,100 staff members. This is a significant cut, representing a sizable portion of its workforce. The company's decision is driven by a shift to prioritize jobs that leverage artificial intelligence. Roles deemed not sufficiently AI-focused are being eliminated. This reflects a broader trend where tech companies restructure to focus on AI capabilities as a core part of their business model. The layoffs target employees whose jobs don't align with Cloudflare's growing AI initiatives. This means positions that cannot be enhanced, replaced, or automated by AI technologies are at risk. Cloudflare is doubling down on AI to stay competitive and innovate faster. Jobs that don't fit into this AI-driven future are being cut, signaling how AI is reshaping job definitions in tech companies. While Cloudflare has not specified exactly which roles are being eliminated, the focus is on those not considered AI enough. This likely includes positions with limited use of AI tools or automation. Employees without AI skills or whose work cannot be augmented by AI face the highest risk. This move highlights the increasing importance of AI expertise for tech workers. Cloudflare's layoffs are part of a larger pattern where companies are restructuring around AI capabilities. As AI tools become more powerful, businesses are revisiting their workforce needs. The tech industry is rapidly evolving jobs that don't incorporate AI risk becoming obsolete. Cloudflare is one of the latest examples showing how AI is not just a tool, but a catalyst for workforce transformation. If your job doesn't involve AI, the Cloudflare layoffs are a warning sign. To stay employable, building AI skills is critical. This means learning AI tools, automation, or data science relevant to your field. The future workforce will demand AI literacy. Companies like Cloudflare are just the beginning. Adapting quickly will be key to job security. Cloudflare's layoffs show how AI is reshaping the job market right now. If your role is AI enough, you could be at risk. Upskilling in AI and automation isn't optional anymore, it's survival. Stay informed, stay skilled, and subscribe for updates on how AI impacts your career.